Imagine opening your phone tomorrow and finding out you're the reason millions of people are laughing, crying, or completely glued to their screens. Not because you're a celebrity, but because you crack the code to a new viral niche almost nobody is talking about. We've seen the stickman animation craze, the sleepless historian boom, the 3D documentary wave. But the next niche, it's so easy, so low effort, and so high reward, it almost feels unfair. In the next few minutes, I'm not just going to show you what it is, I'm going to show you exactly how you could be first in line to write it to millions of views. Now, what kind of content does this? Brace yourself, because once you see it, you'll wonder why nobody told you sooner. What happens when you ask an AI to write its own will, or when you tell it it's about to be replaced by a smarter AI? The drama writes itself, and the audience watches every second to see who wins. And the crazy part? You can make these videos in less than a day with no expensive gear. Look at this channel, Plinks. Brand new, 14 uploads, 15,000 subs, fully monetized. People watch every second, so the algorithm pushes it hard. This might be it for you. Why? Because this content is ridiculously repeatable. Viewers get hooked on the personalities. The topics are evergreen. And the production process is faster than any other viral niche out there. And today I'm giving you the full blueprint to make it happen. Watch closely, because if you click away, you'll miss the exact prompts that make this niche blow up. Before we dive in, give this video a like and subscribe. Here's a quick demo I made a while ago. Think of yourself as a director. The AI is your actor. Your job is to create a character, a story, and an emotional journey that hooks viewers. If you can make the AI funny, dramatic, or absurd, you win. That's the kind of content people share and binge watch. Here's the kicker. ChatGPT or Gemini doesn't just wake up one day and start having emotional meltdowns or giving deep relationship advice. Those moments are engineered. Behind every viral AI conversation, there's a back-end prompt, a hidden script that makes the AI act in a way people can't stop watching. To prove it, I've created 3 original prompts that you won't find anywhere else online. They're inside my free Telegram group, link in the pinned comment. Step 1, generate your viral idea, fire up ChatGPT or Gemini. Paste in prompt 1, the viral idea prompt, and select the number of ideas you want. Let's say 20, then hit enter. You'll instantly get 20 clickable video ideas in the exact style that's already getting millions of views. Pick one that excites you. If you don't love the idea, your audience won't either. Next, copy prompt 2. Paste it into ChatGPT, adding only your preferred video topic, and hit send. You'll get a fully scripted, character-driven conversation that's ready to perform. If you don't like the first result, you can regenerate until one hits. Copy this into a Google Doc, then tweak and add some human touches to the conversation, especially your own responses to the AI in the chat. I would love to know what video idea you picked and how satisfied you are with your generated script. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Now to the good part. Open a new chat, then copy prompt 3 and paste it into ChatGPT. This prompt locks the AI into character, so it delivers the exact emotional beats you want. Hit send. This instructs ChatGPT to play out its role without breaking character. Now record the conversation using OBS Studio, Streamlabs, or even a browser-based recorder like Loom. Start with the first line of your script. Make sure you type the text instead of copying and pasting. Then the AI gives a reply. Continue until you finish the script. Once done, stop recording and save your file. Pro tip, to make your video's first line look real, open a new chat on GPT, type in the first line of your script, hit send, and use that to start your video. This shows it's a new chat, but the response will come from the other chat. Step 2, edit for maximum retention. Use your preferred editing tool to edit the video. CapCut works just fine. Open CapCut and drag and drop your screen recording. Your goal is to maintain a tight pace and keep the viewer engaged and curious. Drag in the first line, zoom into the AI's responses, and break the conversation into short section parts from the generated script. This keeps the rhythm unpredictable so people don't click away. Cut all dead air, increase the type speed to aid retention, layer in typing sound effects and background music to keep energy high, and add suspense sound effects to enhance engagement. Add an adjustment layer, drag it to fit the length of your video, then increase the sharpness and clarity to improve video quality. Once everything looks right, export. Thumbnail strategy, do not skip this. If your title is the hook, your thumbnail is the bait. Even the best video dies without a clickable thumbnail. You can screenshot a part of the chat that looks intriguing and use it as your thumbnail, stress-free. But if you want to edit the text, take it to Canva and tweak it. This niche isn't about being a tech wizard. It's about storytelling and making an AI so entertaining people can't look away. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it's one of the lowest effort, highest potential content plays in 2025. If you're consistent, you can build a loyal audience and monetize faster than most creators think possible. You missed the last 3 waves. You said, next time I'll start early. This is your early. Don't scroll past it. If you wait, the people who watch this video and acted today will already be ahead, and you'll be the one watching their channels blow up while wondering what could have been. If you love this strategy, hit the thumbs up. It tells YouTube to show this to more creators like you. If you want my 3 viral prompts, join the Telegram link in the description. Subscribe to Money Mastery Hub, turn on notifications, and get ready for my next video. I'm breaking down another viral AI niche you can start today. Now I want to hear from you. What's the craziest thing you'd make an AI say? Who knows? Maybe you'll be the next name millions of people are glued to.